Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer punch, step by step. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You will need about 6 to 8 bottles of your favorite beer, 2 liters of fruit juice, and a variety of fresh fruits for garnish. Make sure you have a large punch bowl or pitcher ready. It is important to chill all your liquid ingredients for at least 2 hours before you start mixing, ensuring a perfectly refreshing drink. Next, let us create the base for our delicious beer punch. Pour your 2 liters of chilled fruit juice, perhaps a blend of orange and pineapple, into your large punch bowl. If you prefer a sweeter punch, you can add about 1/2 cup of simple syrup or a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar at this stage. Stir the juice mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds, ensuring all components are well combined and any added sugar is fully dissolved. Now for the star ingredient, the beer. Gently pour in your 6 to 8 bottles of chilled beer, stirring slowly as you add it to preserve as much carbonation as possible. Next, add your fresh fruit slices. Think vibrant oranges, zesty lemons, and a handful of colorful berries to enhance both flavor and appearance. Finally, add a generous amount of ice cubes to the punch bowl just before serving to keep everything perfectly cold and refreshing. Your homemade beer punch is now ready to be served. Use a ladle to carefully pour the punch into individual glasses for your guests. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish each serving with a fresh fruit slice, like an orange wheel or a sprig of fresh mint. This refreshing beverage is perfect for gatherings. Remember to enjoy your delicious beer punch responsibly with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.